Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay, check this out. Okay guys, so if someone has carpal tunnel syndrome, let's say she has carpal tunnel on the left wrist, okay? The way we're going to fix this is we're going to work on the opposite wrist. That's right, this is completely different than what most people do. So you don't want to work on the actual opposite wrist. We want to work on the muscles that attach to the wrist, both on the front side and the back side. And I know what you're going to be asking, what if you have carpal tunnel on both sides? I'll get to that next. But let's pretend it's only on the left. And we're going to actually come and massage these muscles on the opposite side. And what you're going to find is it's going to be very, 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 very tender on the opposite side. And the person's going to go, why is that so tender? It's just the way the brain is sending signals more on this side now because it's blocked on that side. So we're kind of retraining the brain to neutralize the pain signals into her left wrist. So I'm going to massage all these muscles right here, right? Up into this elbow. Very important. Then I'm going to get on the outside and work on these muscles right here. And you just need to stimulate the muscles really good. And what will happen is this side here, I like to have them move this wrist while I'm doing this. Okay? And then you want to first rate the pain on this side, 10 being really bad, 0 being no pain, and then ask them, how does it feel now? And they might say a 5, and I'll say, where did it move? And she might say, well, it's more over here now. Okay, then I'm going to work on the muscles that oppose that side and work on those. And I'll strip this all the way down through here. Okay, like a couple minutes, and then she'll go, oh yeah, it's getting better and better, and then I might have to do the inside a little bit more. Okay, so that's a simple technique to fix carpal tunnel syndrome on one side. All right, now if it's on both sides, what you have to do is you want to do one side at a time, usually the side that started first. Just pretend that's the worst one, you're going to do the opposite side. Then I'm also going to work on this side. Okay, that's going to work about 70% of the time. Okay, so that was pretty simple, wasn't it? So here's your next step. Go ahead and apply this to someone else or have them apply it to you and post your comments below. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.